Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. So in this video I'm going to share with you guys Raksha Bandhan makeup kit. So first of all, before applying makeup on your face, we will apply some moisturizer. In place of moisturizer, you can use aloe vera gel, or here I'm using the Ayurvedic antiseptic cream. These are very good as it contains the herbs, and it cost is 42.
Yeah.
Applying moisturizer on your face, any brands you can apply that you often use, but here I'm using this BodyPlus antiseptic cream as it heals our skin and protects from the different harmful chemicals that are used in the makeup products. Now for primer, I'm using the NYB brightening primer. Gets instant glow, blends like a dream. It is hydrating in nature. When you apply all these products, then you must should wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes in between them. And now the second product is these Maybelline Your Fit Me 128 Warm Nude. This is for the normal to oily skin, and this is a foundation. So these are also very good, and with the help of the beauty blender you just have to dab on your face, don't drag it, and before using it, beauty blender should be wet so that it blends all the foundation on your skin evenly, and doesn't give you khaki skin. Now to set the foundation, I will use the Revlon Gold Matte Touch and Glow moisturizing powder, and it is cost is around 549. These are very good, and you must apply this to set it properly. Now moving towards for the eye makeup, you will have to use the concealer. I'm using the Lakme Absolute White Instant Liquid Concealer, and then I'm using the eyeshadow palette. It is having the very wondrous colors, and it cost me around 750. So, and I must tell you guys, my son is also helping me in making this video, so thanks to him. And now for kajal, I am using the Lakme Iconic Kajal. This is also very good as it is a waterproof, no smudge, lasts up to 24 hours. And moving to the next, I'm using also the mascara. It is Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Dramatic Eyes Mascara. These cost me around 750 guys. So here all these products are not very expensive and also not that much cheap. These are in a middle range, so all these are very good products, and you must go with it. And for lips, I'm using the Kama Ayurveda lip balm, and you can use any one of them that suits you, but first of all you must moisturize your lips to protect your lip. And also you can use the for giving the nice shape to your lips, lip liner. And then I have used I often used Sugar Products lips. These are in shade 01 Brown and Glory, and the second one is 09 Royal Wedding, and all these are costed me around 549 or 600 something. And these are very good in colors, and I love them. And for blush, I'm also using the Sugars, and these cost me around 349. This is Contour de Force Mini Blush 05 Coral Climax. So guys, through this video I wanted to give you a brief information about the makeup products that are used in the makeup for the beginners, and I hope you enjoyed this video and get some information. So, and if you are new to this channel, then please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. Your one subscribe and like it will be very helpful for me. And also press the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will get the notification first. So all these products that I have used, I have purchased online, and some of them are also purchased from the local market, and not these are very expensive. And so thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, Jai Hind. Guys, I must tell you that I'm not a professional in makeup, but I wanted to share the information about the products that are usually used in the makeup. So I hope you get some information that what are the products that are usually used while doing a makeup. So first of all, you will have to let me give you a recap. So first of all, you will have to use moisturizer so that you prep your skin, and according to your skin tone, and like a normal or oily or dry, you use the moisturizer to protect your skin from the harmful chemicals. Then apply primer, then uh, foundation, compact for eyes, kajal, mascara, eyeshadow, and before that you should apply the concealer to hide all the dark spots. And you use the brush or the blender to apply evenly foundation on your face. And eyeshadow palette, uh, then blush, bronzer, and the lipsticks, the lip liner. And to moisturize your lips, you can use the lip balms, any lip balm that you use and suits your lip. It should also have the SPF so that it protects from the harmful UV rays, and prevents from being blackened. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really like this video, then please do like and subscribe to this channel guys. And for more such videos, also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification first. Thank you so much for watching this.